Hi Fiverr, I'm Mike Zima, a digital marketing expert, and welcome to our Facebook ads gig. This gig is a Facebook first campaign, so that means this gig is going to start on Facebook, but it can overlap into Instagram as well, depending on the packages you choose. What we've learned working with hundreds of clients around the world is 80% of the effort to create a successful advertising campaign goes into the planning, the strategy, the competitor research, the audience research, creating the creative and the copy, and then launching it. 20% is the management. So if you have a huge management fee that you can handle and create hundreds of ads a month, then management is for you. But if you're looking at creating a handful of campaigns, this is the perfect gig for any small business or e-commerce store because it's straight and direct to the point. And every 4 to 6 weeks, we can go in, review the results, tell you what we're finding, give you recommendations on tweaks you can make to your website or your campaign overall, and we launch it all over again so you can further improve the results. The goal of advertising is a continuation of improvement. There is no silver bullet to advertising, and we're bringing qualified traffic to your site based off of the criteria you provide us. And over time, this gets narrow, and more narrow until you have a perfectly running campaign. It may take a little bit of time, but that's the secret to advertising. So reach out to me inside of the Fiverr inbox, and I'll look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you for checking out our ad setup gig. We have the perfect ad setup for Facebook, Google, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Choose from one of the packages and check out. We set up your campaign and we're good to go. Every 4, 6, or 8 weeks, you can reach back out to us for a tune-up and we'll optimize your campaign for the best results. We look forward to working with you soon.